All right, so we're here for another project presentation with a student that we engaged with last year in summers, and it has taken us some time to schedule this because we are both sort of like very busy, but finally we're here. So, Naim, why don't you tell us about yourself, and then we'll proceed to the project presentation thing.
Okay, hello. Like I am like kind of a busy guy, like Sir Sujat said, because like my all my time is fast making games like in Scratch, like I learned over here in 2023. So I will tell you what I like to do. I like playing games, but like I do like this. So I download a game on Steam and then play it, and then I will like try to make a game like that in Scratch, a 2D game like that. They're
Interesting.
like whole 2D games. Because
Nice,
like making
interesting.
3D game is like really hard, like 3D games in Scratch.
Yeah, 3D game in Scratch is definitely very difficult. For that, you can maybe this summers explore the Unity game development program because that can allow you to create a 3D environment really well. But this is an interesting approach that you download a game and then you play it and then you try to recreate it. I never thought of it that way. I actually don't get much time to play games myself, so I am mostly only involved in teaching and learning something new. So, what are you presenting today?
I am presenting a game which is called Heropanti.
Okay, very unique name. Where did you come up with this name? Is this a reference to something or just a joke?
I don't know. It was like a name of like a movie. I don't know, an Indian movie, and like my sir like says like so like everybody was making games now. He was like a funny name maker, so like he said me you should name this game Heropanti.
All right, let's take a look at it. Let's see what it does.
Do you need to share the screen?
Yes, go ahead.
Now I do the sound.
All right.
So like I was mixing it, like getting a couple of sounds and then mixing them together. It will be like an abomination of sounds.
Yep, that's cool.
So like copy pasted. So like copy, copy, and then delete this one, backspace, and delete this one, backspace, and then Control V.
Oh, so you're mixing
And
sounds.
then I'll send it together. Yes, I am. Like
Nice.
make like
I
a
never
whole
thought of
thing
it that
on the
way.
side.
Yes. So there are
Yes.
softwares for doing this. There's Ableton and other synthesizers. I don't know about much about those, but like you've started to do this in Scratch too. And I think we should also maybe introduce this in our teaching somehow. That
Yes.
in the part where we cover music and sound, I think we should do this. That the people can also edit sound. This is something totally new that I had never thought of it before.
Mm. Where's the goat
That's
sound?
nice. So can we take a look at the project first, and then we can definitely experiment more with sounds.
Okay. Okay. Yes, here it is.
So can you show us what it does, and then we'll talk about the code?
So like when you open this, like I'm over here, get the screen bigger. So like everybody says like, oh, red should always be the villain, like the blue one should be the hero or the heroine. So like there's like thing in our colorism, everybody like describes red as the villain. So like I did different this time. The blue one is the villain and the red one is the main character.
Nice. Mm-hmm.
So
Oh, it
like
was actually
the
It
The
it was
blue
actually
cat.
like this in Harry Potter as well. The I
Yes.
think Voldemort's
Yes.
spells were of blue color
Yes.
and Harry's spells were red color. So yeah, that this is an opposite and a
Yes.
unique way for this.
So like if you just go over here and then click, so like the blue person has the power of like gravity. So like it's moving buildings and like experimenting. You try to click on it. It's better on a mouse, but I'm playing with a keyboard, like
Okay.
the laptop on the laptop, and it's really hard.
So there is a marker, there is a, you could say, an aim.
Done. Yes.
Okay.
If you like try
And
to aim
wherever
on the
that
head,
is,
if you click on the cat with it,
okay.
the cat
So
goes
you
behind
have,
buildings and then like hide there.
okay. So the cat is using the buildings to escape the, you could say, attack from the red cat.
Yes, hiding behind them.
Okay. And I also see that the building also has written scratch on it, and one of the buildings has written cake on it.
Yes.
Did you write it then? Did you write it yourself?
Yes. Yes, I did. Like I wanted to like outrun the scratch cat.
Wow, that's quite a lot of detail that I did not notice before. Okay.
And like
And
there's an Easter egg.
uh-huh.
If you beat the cat, there's a Easter. Okay, wait a minute. Let me beat the cat. If it's over here, I am using a cheat code that I tell nobody. Look,
Okay.
if you just get like press something and then go to the cat, it will just like do it. Faster cheat code.
I see that the enemy life is 305 and it's getting reduced to 246, 216.
I'm using a cheat code.
Okay, all
Cheat
right.
code.
So that way you get your like marker aimed exactly at the cat and then you can click the button, right?
You win. Okay, so the cat says, I won. But like the cat never did won. It like just cutted its head.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
I tried this apart, like it clicked again, and then like I did like with the variables and like make a new block. My
uh-huh.
block. If it's
So
over here right now.
so that it
I
would start the
did
game again.
what?
So that making a block so that it would start the game again or making a block for some other feature.
Like block for some other feature, like um it was a long thing, but I think I don't know where is the whole that whole sprite. Where do you do this? Like the whole thing. I made it another sprite, but like it's now gone. I actually deleted it, but the code is still there. It's I
Mm-hmm. All
think it's
right.
kind of a glitch.
Okay. Can you minimize the whole code and we'll see how big the entire code is for any of the sprites? You can minimize the display
Okay.
window by going over here below your Boogie Master username. And then let's take a look at the codes, like how big are the codes in each of the sprites.
Here it is all.
Okay, so this is for which?
Let me check. This is for the aim, the gun
Okay, all right.
holding.
So and how does
And the
it
G
work?
and
Can you show
D
us?
and the G and D are cheat codes. I didn't tell you before.
Okay, all right. Can you show me the code and like zoom in on it and let's discuss how it works?
So like over
I can
here,
see it now
and
that if mouse down and touching the blue color, then change enemy life by -1. And if enemy life is equal to 0, then broadcast FFFFFF.
okay, so
Okay.
like if so like when I in cat 2, when I receive FFFFF, so like it will just stop everything. Wait a minute,
And
where
where
is
is that?
FFFFF? It got deleted as well. I was telling you. Like some of the
okay.
things got deleted.
Mm-hmm. So for this very reason, when people like build some larger software, they create different versions of it, and they
Yes.
manage those versions so that if like in this version something accidentally
Mm-hmm.
got deleted, they could go back to a previous version and their code would be fine and their project would be saved.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. So this is for the building. So how does the building work? What is the code doing?
So like the code is like some I did like go to front layer. The one that is go to front layer can outrun the red cat. The one with the front layer.
Okay.
Some buildings. And then I will like turn 15, forever turn 15 degrees. You noticed it? Like it will always turn
Mm-hmm.
15 degrees, like
Mm-hmm.
turning. I did that and like
Okay.
glide seconds to random positions.
Okay. So it keeps on turning and it keeps on gliding
Yes.
randomly on the screen. But we see that sometimes the cat is also in front of the building. So how does the cat appear at the front? Sometimes the building
Like
go to
the
the back
head.
layer.
Yes, and then sometimes the head appear. Like it's like I change into the cat now, go to front layer and then do it.
Can we take a look at that code?
Did it
The
go to front layer.
the
The
blue cat.
head, the
I
blue
meant
cat.
the enemy. Yes.
I didn't do any like thing like that. Go to front layer, go to black layer. It just like
Mm-hmm.
go to front layer. Like some buildings you can outrun.
Okay, all right. So some of the buildings would already be at the back layer, maybe like
Yes.
because if we see some of the cats at the front and some of the cats at the sometimes the cat is at the back, then some of the buildings may already be at the back layer and some of them
Mm-hmm.
are at the front layer. So yeah, that could also work since it's completely randomized. So this is a very unique idea. I had not thought that this could I mean मैंने इस तरह की कोई गेम जो है ना स्क्रैच के अंदर पहले नहीं देखी जिसके अंदर enemies using buildings to hide behind the attacks. Is there any other idea to be added in Heropanti? Are you continuing this in any way?
Yes, I was working on something like if you like even if you win, the winning still goes up. Like I'm working with the code.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
like if everything if the time gets like or if you win or lose, then like the cat stops to like that the cat's gala should be cut and then like regenerate again, like cut the
Mm-hmm.
other one throat.
Okay. All right.
I'm
Can
working
you
on that one.
in the backdrop, you have written scratch on one of the buildings,
Yes, I
right?
did. Change color effect. Yes, I did. There are three backdrops. Back
I'm
color for
not
city too.
okay. And then I'm talking about there's a text over there around here. Did you write it?
No, it was like all here from the first time.
This
Hello
one.
Scratch. Yes, I know. It was a year for the past.
Oh, okay. So it's a backdrop from the Scratches library.
Yes,
It's from
yes,
over
it
there.
is.
Okay, all right. I thought it was a new backdrop because I had not seen this one before.
It's a new backdrop, like a really new
Mhm.
backdrop. It has been like a week only.
Oh, I didn't know that. So they are rapidly updating the software.
Not week, maybe like I don't know. Like I checked this
While.
about a week ago, and I don't know. Like it is like 2 months ago.
Okay.
I don't know. Like I don't.
Well, well, they keep on coming up with new things, so
Yes,
why not? We should keep on exploring. Okay, so
yes.
Naeem, this was great. Thank you for presenting this
Hmm.
project really well with us and
Hmm.
sharing how you can also edit sounds, mix them
Hmm.
together, and make something new out of it. That's something
Hmm.
really amazing, a new idea that I could not have imagined on my own. So
Sir,
thank you for
here it
being a
is.
part of this.
FFFF. Here it is. Create a graphic effects. I
That's
don't
good.
know.
Yeah. Okay. ठीक है नहीं. That's where we're going to
Hmm.
end our session today, and
Okay.
I'll see you later.